Hello everybody, my name is Alexandra. I'm coming from Bosnia and Herzegovina and currently I'm living in Hamburg in Germany. I'm doing a PhD project and working as a research psychologist at the University Medical Clinic Hamburg in a field of clinical neuropsychology. I'm also working at the University of Hamburg in a psychological consulting team with students. That means that we are offering a psychological help and support for students and PhD students. One study published in 2017 showed that 1 in 2 PhD students experiences psychological distress and that 1 in 3 is at risk of a common psychiatric disorder. Work and organizational contexts are significant predictors of PhD students' mental health. That's why I'm going to talk about organization of work and to give you some tips how to get organized and how your habits can improve your work. The great thing about working in academia is that you will be your own boss. Well, the most of the time. So you will work maybe on your PhD project and on another different project. So the first big step in every research is planning. That's why I'll give you some tips that will help you organize your work. First of all, time and tasks. Time is very important. So to track your time, you can create weekly and daily calendar. You can create your calendar on a paper or you can use also calendars in Google Calendar or iCall. You can create an academic calendar to track your journal, conferences, deadlines. And please don't forget to include your hobbies and sport activities in your calendar, not just work. The second tip is creating a checklist. So that means that you can plan your tasks for every single day and you can also play weekly your tasks. You can use the apps that can help you organizing your tasks. I used Trello and ClickUp, and with ClickUp I'm really satisfied because I can create different project lists. For example, for classes, for job, each of my research projects and also for my life. So I can create the tasks and then I can put them if they are done. I can see that they are done if some of them are open in the review. So you can see where are you staying with your tasks. You can also put a deadline, so you will take some notifications a day or two before the deadline. Reading and writing are the two big parts of your academic life. So sometimes it's very hard to keep tracking of what you had read or what did you thought about that or what is the next paper you want to read. So there are some platform solutions that could help you in your reading progress, and that's for example Mendeley or EndNote. So using those platforms you can search for a journal, for an article. You also have a folder function. You can organize the articles you already read or you want to read in the different folders, different categories. And you can also use color coding scheme for highlighting. That means that you can use different colors to highlight different important parts of the article. So for example, you can use the red for research question, green for methods, blue for findings, yellow for definitions, orange for everything else. So you can use every single color you like. To help you not just create, but to stay on the track with your schedule, I will give you some habit tips. It is very important not just to write, but to stick to your schedule. So, for example, you should focus on to-do lists, because focusing on today can help you to avoid overthinking and procrastination. You can also add the activities on your plan, so you don't need also other things in your life to make a good balance. For example, spending time with friends, cooking, reading for pleasure, doing sport, learning new hobbies, going out, or whatever that makes you happy. Sleep is very important habit, because sleep affects our mood, our energy, our ability to focus and think rationally. So some studies recommended sleep between 7 and 8 hours per day. And at the end, last but not least, give yourself a reward. For every single accomplished goal or daily list, give yourself a reward. That will be a motivation, and that will motivate you to keep going. These tips can help you to prevent overthinking and to focus your energy on work. Being a scientist means to grow every single day. Keep growing, and don't forget, your biggest project in science is you.